Gutire kundu mutaratara wa CBC urathie na ndurarugama thengia wa mihinga iria irageria gwikirwo niguo kurugamia mutaratara uyu. Ino ni miario ya Minister wa Githomo Prof George Magoha agiteaniria mateta ma cira uria uhagikitwo igoti-ini ni munene wa kiama kia mawakiri Nelson Havi.
Hati ya fullback ni nini? Ni kucheka na watu ili wapite mpira ingie. So excuse me please, let me do my work, you do yours. Tupeleke kotini, we are going to meet you there. But I can assure you as a fullback my mandate. And I think His Excellency must have also seen mimi ni sura mbaya kidogo. So when I say mpira haipiti, haitapita.
Tera mutaratara uyu Magoha ugite mumirira ma uria arutwo maragerio mari na mwihoko munene uhoro wa kuhenania kana wici wa igeranio ni uninitwo ni mutaratara uyu na andu aria maranegena niguo ciana ciao irathomera thukuru cia andu kiumbe na mangiigwa murigo ni wa marituhira mari na wiyathi wa gutwara ciana ciao thukuru cia thirikari amu mbeca ni iheanitwo cia gukinyaniria mutaratara uyu.
I've sat in some classrooms for 40 minutes, half an hour. And even within that short time, you will be able to see which child is putting his hands up 20 times. How are you going to push that child down? Tell me. It is not possible. So even the cheating is going to be permanently solved.
Mwaka uyu wa 2021 ni mwaka wa gatano kuma riria mutaratara mweru wa mathomo wambiriirie kurutithio wira guku bururi-ini na riu arutwo mbere rungu rwa mutaratara uyu mari kirathi gia gatano. No na kuri uguo mutaratara uyu ukoretwo ugitungio uregani ni andu na ikundi itiganite makiuga ndwehariririo kuigana makiuga aciari makoretwo na murigo munene makiria wa kimbeca. Mutaratara uyu kiraihaniriria na wa hau kabere wa 844 kuona uyu urabatara unyitaniri munene wa muciari. Umuthi kiama kia aciari guku bururi-ini gigitongorio ni muikariri giti wakio Nicholas Mayo ni magiire na giikaro hamwe na Ministry ya Githomo niguo kurora gukuruhanio kwa aciari hari gutwarithia CBC na mbere kuona aciari mari na itemi inene. Riu kiama giki gikiuga hari maundu maria mamatongoragia.
Dedicated pursuit of interest of a child. That is number one. Number two, building and protecting an education system that works. 3, school-centered development. 4, a political service.
Mayu athiete na mbere kuga mari mutaratara-ini wa gwikuruhania na cira uria wambikitwo igoti-ini wa kuregana na gutwarithio na mbere gwa CBC kuona ota aciari mari na uge wao na ni maranyita mbaru githomo gia CBC.
We are the representatives of over 10 million parents of this country. Yes. Who have taken their children to public schools, and we have not spoken. We have not taken the government to court. So we want to state our case to you and the media that we will join the case.
Ndumiriri-ini ya kiama giki ni mwokiriria aria makoretwo makiregana na mutaratara uyu makiuga aingi aria mararegana naguo matire na itanya ria kuguna ciana iria irathoma.
Our concern should only be over judicial proceedings that seek to bury our children's career dreams and hinder national progress.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.